Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are debating on online classes versus offline classes, and thankfully, we are supporting online classes. In my point of view, online classes are the best and they are far better from offline classes because they provide accessibility and flexibility. And offline classes often lack adaptability and it contains valuable time of the student.
I don't agree with your point. You said that online classes is good for students, but in my point of view, offline classes is good for student because many of students not focus on their classes in online classes, but in offline classes, student must focus their in their classes. So, in my point of view, online offline classes is good. How can say that online class is not wrong, but online class is best because every student online class in lockdown, and this time you focus on their story. No, you talk to other person, but online class you focus on their stories. So online class is best.
Agree with the point because you said that in corona period time online classes is very beneficial for student. I know that online class is very beneficial for student, but in corona time period there are many students take online classes in there are many parents think that their child take online classes, but their parents wrong. They don't take online classes, they play game and they operate YouTube and scroll reels. I don't think that online classes is good. Offline classes is very good because in this time there are many students focus on their study because of offline classes, and I think that offline class is very good.
Don't agree with your point. How can you say that in corona time online classes is not beneficial? Because if offline classes is beneficial, then why the student of government and private schools not get a high percentage in every exams?
I don't agree with your point. You said that offline classes is not best in Corona time. Offline classes is best in Corona time because school had implemented strict protocols like mask sanitizing. So according to me, offline classes is best.
Nowadays many children are not go to again at coaching. Many UPSC aspirants, CA, CFS, oh, these student go to library. This student purchase course in mobile phone. Many students live in southeast, then don't go Lakshmi Nagar, Karol Bagh.
In corona time only 60% student join classes and 30% student scroll reels and come notification, social media notification, and only 20% student is get good marks, and many students fail. Offline classes is best.
I totally disagree with you. I don't believe that all offline classes are best in any way because I think that why should a student travel for hours where he can attend his classes at home in minutes? And online classes also provide flexibility and convenience to the students. He can take classes without the pressure of teachers and without the pressure of his peers because some introvert students don't feel comfortable to study among so many students. That's why they prefer online classes, and online classes are the major issue that emerged during the pandemic, so there should be online classes for these kind of situations.
I don't agree with your point. You said that student study with without pressure of teachers, some students are study without pressure of teachers. But some of students study with pressure of teachers because in online classes students don't study. They only scrolling reels and play games in their mobile, tab, laptop, etc. And but in offline classes they only focus on their studies, and at the lunch time they play games in offline classes. So in my opinion offline classes is best. how can say that you go to a student home, you watch, you see this student he is calling me, no, but not a student, depend a student is calling real, not a focus on their story. How can say that he go to offline study, only focus on study, no, but some student go to offline classes. So this is my point.
Think that online classes is good because if we talk about offline classes, so in offline classes there are many teacher pressure to student. You do best study in your life because as we know that education is very good for our lives, and there are many teacher teach very well, but if we talk about online classes, so teacher don't teach very well, and there are many students don't focus on on their education. So I think that offline classes is very good.
I believe that you are going in totally wrong direction, because I believe in offline classes is time consuming and also cost consuming. It costs the fees of costume, it costs the charge of travel and books. But online classes are cost effective. It doesn't charge the fees of books, costume, and it doesn't charge the travel fees. And why should a student travel for hours when he can attend classes in minutes at his own home with his convenience life?
How can you say that offline classes is expensive? Every student has their smartphone and they recharge their phone per month, so it is also expensive.
And what about lectures? Those students who lost their lectures because of they are ill or there is something other reason, they cannot rewatch their lectures or re-attend that. But in online classes, lectures are recorded. They can review their lectures again and again for revision. But this facility is not available in offline classes, and this is not possible in offline classes. So offline online classes are far better than offline classes.
Think that in online classes we take class anytime. If we talk about offline classes, so as we know that teacher and tutor both teach student, and but if we talk about school, so as we uh, as we know that there are many students don't take anything in a 1 minute. So teacher is available 24/7, and as we know that tuition is available in every places, so tutor is also available 24/7. And if we talk about if any student have doubts, so they also ask to teacher and tutor. And as we know that teacher don't think that I don't explain this question again and again, and tutor don't think that I don't explain this question again and again. I don't think that. But if we talk about online classes, so we watch any video again and again, so our eyesight is weak. I don't think that online classes is good.
I don't agree with your point because if in offline classes teacher teach student very well, so nowadays why the 60 and 80% of student need of online classes?
Because there are many students like to modern technology, and in this time there are many students like to operate phone. They don't think that this teacher is well educated, so we study with teacher. I don't think that, because in this time there are many students like online classes. In my point of view, online classes is very harmful for student, because in online classes there are many students don't get education properly. If we talk about offline classes, so there are many students get education properly.
In offline classes, students are not getting their education properly because they are going to school just to pass their times. And when we talk about online classes, in on you said that tutor is available 24 into 7 in offline classes, but this is not possible. During exam days when a student prepare for his exams in early in the morning, he can review the recorded lectures again and again for his revision. But a tutor is not available 24 into 7 to help him.
how can you say that when the student go to the school, they only go for time passing, and in the home they don't study with their phones, they playing games, sometimes they scroll reels, and parents is not available every time for them that my child is study or not.
Yes, I'm absolutely right. Every student, some of students are going into school to just to pass their times, and student who have their social and personal responsibility can online classes can benefit them very well, so that they can manage their responsibilities with their studies in online classes.
I don't agree with your point because in offline classes, students are also take offline classes with chatting with their friends, and I don't agree with your point. You said that some of students go school for time pass, but in online classes, students are also take online classes with for time pass and with chatting with their friends and with the fun their friends. So online classes is not good in my opinion.
How can you say that in online classes student only passing their time? Can you prove it? Can you prove it? And in online classes, in offline classes, what had student done?
You say that in offline classes, what had student done? If I ask you this question, same, what had student done in online classes? So I don't think that, in my point of view, offline classes is very good. And in this time, there are many students like offline classes. But if any student like they're passing their time, they don't think that they become anything in their life, so they like online classes. And if we talk about offline classes, so offline classes is very beneficial for student. And in in offline classes, there are many students got highest marks. If we talk about online classes, they got highest marks in their class, but they don't get properly education.
No, my friend, you are completely wrong. In online classes, student can learn from anywhere and anytime. But in offline classes, he must have to go to school or college or his institute for learning. But in online classes, there is no such limitation to the student.
You are wrong. In online classes, student don't learn discipline, but in offline classes we learn discipline. And in all and on in off and in offline classes, student participate in activities and group activities, so it is helpful for them for to become a creative and confident in their life. So offline classes is best.
Guys, have you seen what we have done? We have done a debate on online classes versus offline classes. अगर आप इसी तरह की और डिबेट देखना चाहते हैं तो फॉलो करिए हमारे चैनल को और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए। देखते रहिए हमारे चैनल को जिसका नाम है इंग्लिश विद मयत सर। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।